What's up, y'all? It's Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting the notification button. So getting right into the video, you guys have already probably seen a couple of the videos that I've dropped already. We are moving into the summer months, and that means t-shirts and shorts. But with just t-shirts and shorts doesn't mean you have to wear some regular ass shorts, regular t-shirt. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about the different shorts that you could be wearing to add a little bit more saucier outfits. I don't know about you guys, but for a lot of people I see, at least in the summertime, I'll see a lot of people that really know how to work their style in the summer and really make the most of their outfits. And I see a lot of people that really kind of just give up on the summertime, and maybe it's just too hot for them, right? Maybe they just don't care to, which is absolutely fine as well. But if you guys do want to care and you guys still want to add some saucier outfits, I'm going to recommend some shorts that you guys can wear during the summertime. I'm going to recommend to you guys some shorts that are still going to keep you very cool, be very relaxed and very casual, chill, while still elevating your outfit. So how I'm going to divide the shorts is basically do it off of the type of shorts, kind of like swim shorts, basketball shorts, and things in that nature. So starting with the first pair of shorts, first one I have for you guys is swim shorts. And you guys might be thinking, how can I wear swim shorts in public? And I'll tell you guys, it is definitely possible if you guys cut off the inner lining that's inside. For myself, I'm not gonna lie, I really actually do like how swim shorts fit casually. I think they fit pretty short depending on the ones you get, of course, but for myself, I do prefer a 5-inch inseam, which to you guys might seem way too damn short. I think most people like 7 inches. I think 9 inches is a little bit too long. I don't mind 7 inches, but if you can do 5 inches, personally for myself, I like to do 5 inches. And if you didn't skip leg day, 5 inches is definitely the way to go. But this right here is just a normal pair of swim shorts that I got honestly a couple years ago, and I still wear them occasionally here and there. They are a little bit big, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So big in the waist, like the length is fine, but they're a little bit big in the waist. There's a lot of colors that you can pick from swim shorts, and I will say for the swim shorts, just make sure you guys are going with a simple, clean colorway. Nothing too crazy, no crazy crawfish, no crazy designs on your shorts, because that's when I think swim shorts do get a little bit too tacky. But at the end of the day, if that's the vibe you're going for, so be it. Just keep on doing you. And then the next shorts I have for you guys are essentially sweat shorts. So there's two styles of sweat shorts that I've seen. One that's very simple and very clean, and that is basically just a pair of sweat shorts that is in a simple, solid color. This right here is olive. I'll say with sweat shorts, the one thing I don't like is when you start to wash them, and then when you start to dry them, they start to fuzz up over time. There is a device that I'll show you guys in a future video that helps get rid of all of these little fuzz balls. But that's the one thing that I'm not the biggest fan of sweat shorts, is that you want your shorts and your clothes to constantly look crisp, but with this material, it's just bound to have a little bit more wear and tear, especially if you're washing and drying it constantly. But I think these are nice, and they're actually probably a little bit more practical in the sense of sweat shorts that you can really dress this up, dress this down, especially the solid pair. The next two pairs I'll show you, maybe not so much, just because they are a little bit more loud and not as low key. But this right here is very simple, very clean. Has a nice pair of drawstrings. I know this was maybe more so in style a couple years ago, but I mean, at the end of the day, you can't go wrong with sweat shorts, especially if they're at a good length. But if your shorts are just right above the knee, I'll say that's probably the ideal length for a lot of guys now. And the next two pair of sweat shorts I have for you guys are basically in this pajama style material, fabric color. If you guys have ever seen those pajama pants that people wear during Christmas time, this is that, but in the short form. I got these shorts from Urban Outfitters for $5 to $10, super cheap. I mean, super easy to wear. I wouldn't say super easy to wear, I'll take that back, but I mean, these are definitely a lot louder than those olive green sweat shorts I showed you guys. I honestly don't even know if I would call these sweat shorts, but I just grouped them together because they are kind of a similar fabric. For this, if I'm wearing these shorts, I'll say I would keep the t-shirt pretty minimal, nothing too crazy. Keep the shoes maybe pretty minimal as well. I think these shorts are good if you want to switch it up rather than just doing your khaki chinos. And so basically the other pair I have is the same exact idea, but in a different color. This right here is predominantly yellow, navy, and black. I personally like the other one a little bit more. It is easier to wear. The one thing I will say about these shorts is someone has asked me if I'm wearing boxers before, so that is one thing to look cautious for because they could pass off as boxers right there at that length. And the last style of shorts I have to recommend to you guys are basketball shorts, and I don't mean just any regular basketball shorts, like some long basketball shorts that go past your knees that you probably wore in like 2010, 2011. I'm talking about more so basketball shorts that are in line with the fashion trends today. Someone that is currently killing the game in this realm is Eric Emanuel. You guys will see basketball players, influencers, celebrities, basically everyone that really messes with streetwear wearing Eric Emanuel basketball shorts. And some of you guys might be thinking it's not worth it. You know, those shorts can run you $100 plus, you know, depending on the resale, depending on the pair you want, depending on the size. And I'm here to show you guys some different alternative into like kind of hype basketball shorts that you guys can cop that are more affordable, maybe not as limited as those Eric Emanuel shorts. And just running through all the shorts I have, I'll go with just a pair that I never really wear, and I don't think they're all that great, but it's just this black pair of basketball shorts. I mean, you guys can see at the very bottom it has represent 79. These are from H&M, so not too great. I actually have only worn these like once or twice just because I think that represent 79 is a little bit tacky, but I do like the color blocking on these shorts, and the quality on them actually isn't too bad. So it's a black pair of shorts with color blocking on the waistband at the very bottom. So very simple, very minimalistic. On your drawstring, you do have metal lace tips at the very end. So it does add kind of like that nice little touch of quality detail. Even though like these shorts aren't like the best quality, it does kind of give you more of a different feel than you typically would see on basketball shorts. And then on the back, you do have a zipper pocket. So like I said, with these shorts, you're definitely gonna get that same classic basketball look and feel, but definitely elevated. And the next pair of basketball shorts I have for you guys are a pair of Champion basketball shorts. I got these when Champion were really popular, like when Vetements was doing a collab with Champion, where they were at least using the Champion hoodie. So these are just a pair of blue Champion basketball shorts at the bottom. You guys can see it says Champion right there, and there's that Champion logo right there. These are a little bit louder than your typical basketball shorts that you'd see. Like, I think these are a little bit more loud than the black ones I just showed you guys, just because they are like that bright, bold blue. But I do like the color blocking on this. I personally, for myself, I will say these shorts are a little bit too long for my preference. But one thing you can do as a little hack if your shorts are too long is roll up your waistband 1 or 2 times, and it should give you that length that you're desiring. And definitely a pair of shorts that are going to make your outfit stand out a little bit more in the summertime. And the last pair of shorts I have for you guys are a pair of Mitchell and Ness retro NBA shorts. So these are probably like the pre-Eric Emanuel shorts. This is what Just Don typically uses for his canvas, for all the shorts that he makes. Personally, this is my favorite pair of shorts just because of all the design and the detail that goes into these shorts. And the quality on these shorts is actually pretty legit. You guys can see at the very bottom, it says NBA Eastern with the NBA patch right there. On the side, you have that pattern that you'd probably see in the Southwest. But overall, I think this is a dope pair of shorts. I will say the one thing with this pair right here, especially with the Mitchell and Ness shorts, is they are going to be on the pricier side. I think this pair right here was like 60, 70 bucks. So like I said, not going to be super cheap compared to the other two. Mitchell and Ness shorts are more so in the realm of Eric Emanuel shorts. So keep that in mind if you guys are thinking about picking these up. So let me know down below in the comments which style of shorts was your guys' favorite. Personally, for myself, I'll say my favorite was the basketball shorts. I think that's a classic look. I think there's a bunch of brands out there, a bunch of different options. You can rock with your favorite basketball team, just different styles, different collabs I think are really dope. But let me know down below in the comments which one is y'all's favorite. And it's gonna wrap up the video, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.